Welcome back to my YouTube page, One Stick Build, and today I'm going to change out my front and rear emblems to the thick whip emblems. So let's see how this goes. So I'm going to get a little thing on here and I'm going to start prying each side up. Some sticky and stuff underneath here and just peel it away. Alright, broke it loose. Now I got to remove the backing. So I'm going to put this behind it, use plastic, start prying softly. I think there's little tabs that you gotta pop out. And I have PPF all the way around. You could tape it up. Now that I got it off, and you can see that PPF is actually coming underneath here. So all this is PPF protected anyway. But if you're not protected, you can probably put blue tape around, so you should be okay. But just have to peel it off. Probably gonna get some Goo Gone and try to get some of this adhesive off best I can. Alright, so I got all the sticky two-sided tape off, and I'm going to add the new emblem. Okay, I put the front emblem on, and it looks pretty good. And I'll do the rear here next. Same step. I think it's a little easier on the rear. I think it looks a lot better than the stock OEM, and thanks to Thick Whips, AmericaPanda.com. Big shout out. Thank you.